I'm Mooch, and this is Pigeonhead Architecture. Hey guys, so in our last video, I showed you how to make a custom material on Revit, and then on the video that came after that, I showed you how to make a bump file. So if you don't know how to make a custom material, or if you don't know how to make a bump file, then go ahead and look at my other videos, and I'll put those in the description so you guys can follow along. Once you have that done, come back and I'll show you how to make your materials even look more realistic. So once you have that bump file, go ahead and search for it wherever you placed it, and under bump in the material editor, select that file. Once you bring it in, you're going to want to click on it, and you're going to want to switch the scale. Make the scale exactly the same as you did the material. So the first time we used 10 feet by 10 feet, we're going to go ahead and place 10 feet by 10 feet. You can also rotate here, but we didn't do that last time, so we're not going to do that here. Now this slider here controls exactly how much texture it has. We're going to place it all the way up just to make the effect more dramatic so you can see it better. And as you see, the texture is the material's textured now. So let's render it to see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's a huge difference than what it was before. And here's a side-by-side image so you can see the difference. So the trick to this is to play around with the scale and play around with the amount of texture that you give it, and you'll be able to make some really realistic looking materials on Revit. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And I really do appreciate you guys who are subscribing. It helps a lot. It really does mean a lot to me. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time.